Looking for a reliable way to step up your vehicle's style and functionality? DeeZeeNXtSteps offer a perfect blend of durability and design, making every entry smooth and secure. Crafted from heavy-duty steel and finished with a unique NRT Black Powder Coat, these steps don't just look good. They stand up to corrosion and wear, keeping your truck or SUV looking sharp for years to come. What sets these NXt Steps apart is the custom-fit brackets engineered specifically for your vehicle. Whether you own a 2020 Silverado Crew Cab or another model, these brackets slide right into place with no drilling required. That means no damage, no hassle, just a straightforward installation that anyone can handle. Plus, the package comes complete with all the necessary brackets and bolts, so you have everything you need in one box. I've seen firsthand how these steps make a difference. The heavy-duty steel braces are tough enough to handle daily use, and the NRT coating adds an extra layer of protection against rust and corrosion. It's a smart investment if you want to protect your vehicle's side panels while adding a sleek, rugged look. One satisfied customer called the installation "perfect fit and easy," highlighting just how user-friendly these steps really are. If you're ready to upgrade your ride with a product that combines strength, style, and convenience, DeeZeeNXtSteps are worth a look. They offer what you get: reliable support when you need it, enhanced vehicle protection, and an instant style boost. Try them when you're ready to take your vehicle's functionality to the next level.